Hey everybody, Matt from Nerd Fitness, one of our Nerd Fitness coaches. Steve asked me to put together a beginner kettlebell workout. Now kettlebells can be a little intimidating, a little scary. They kind of look like cannonballs with handles. So we're going to work through a basic circuit, get you a total body workout with this thing. So first thing we want to do, we're going to hold this. There's two ways to hold a kettlebell when you're using one kettlebell with two hands. First we're going to go bottoms up. That means the ball part, the weight part of the kettlebell, it's going to be upside down. So you're going to put two fingers in the front, thumb in the back, and that's going to be your bottoms up carry. So the first thing we're going to do is called a halo. It's going to go around your upper body, keeping your core tight. Bring it all the way around from one side to the other. We're going to do about 8 of these. From that, we're going to go into our goblet squat. So the other way to hold this thing is by the horns. Think like you're going to take Bowser and Super Smash Brothers and throw them off the ledge. So we're going to hold this tight, keep your elbows in tight, your feet about parallel, and squatting down. As low as you can go. If you can't go this low, that's totally fine. Back to an upper body move. So when we hold a kettlebell with one hand, it's kind of tricky. You gotta put it on an angle from the fleshy part of your thumb and forefinger all the way down. If we hold it here, it's going to pull your wrist down. So we want to pretend like we're Pac-Man, like you just beat Kettlebell Man and got kettlebell power. We have no wrist, right? So if we go overhead, we're going to start in tight here and press straight up, driving your fist to the sky and back in. So your fist is always pointing up. And then we're going to go over to the other side, same thing. The corner of the kettlebell horns is right in there, and then pressing straight up. Holding it in tight and towards your chest when you're at the bottom. Now, we go back to the lower body, and we're going to do one of the most well-known kettlebell exercises, a kettlebell swing. And the way I want you to think about the kettlebell swing is think like you're jump man. You're going to jump without leaving the ground. So to set up for that, kettlebell is about a foot in front of you. You're going to get into your position like you're going to jump. Arms will go behind you. So you hold on here, arms throw behind you, and you're going to jump back up with the kettlebell without leaving the ground. So you're here and up. If you're wearing glasses like me, they may fly off, so I'd suggest take them off beforehand. When you're done, same thing, the kettlebell is going to land a foot in front of you. Now sometimes we see in the American kettlebell swing, people come all the way up here. Don't worry about that right now. Just start right here and use your hips to get you up. We don't really care how high the kettlebell is going, as long as your hips are what's doing the work. Okay? From there, we're going to go to a bent over row. So same position like you were just in. You're bent over, your butt's driving back. You're going to pick up the kettlebell, drive your elbow towards your rib cage here, one side at a time. So do all your reps on one side, put it down, come over to the other side. And then lastly, we have a kettlebell reverse lunge. So when you get back into that one-handed grip, keep the kettlebell kind of in this pocket that you created. You're going to step back with the same side that the kettlebell is on, and then come back up. All one side, and then we'll switch to the other. If that's too much, then you just step back, keep in this position, go straight down and up. And then we'll go back to the other side. So, you can repeat this 2-3 more times for a total body kettlebell workout.